Okay guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can find on eBay other sellers or other competitors, and then you can spy, you can check their items, you can find their best selling items. So the first step is to find good sellers on eBay. And if you're doing drop shipping from Amazon to eBay, we have a very special feature that is going to make your life and your business very easy. Okay, so if you go to Amazon, and usually sellers who drop shipping stuff from Amazon to eBay, they're drop shipping prime products. So you go to Amazon, you find some product which is prime and not too expensive, like this one, and all you have to do is take the ASIN number. You can find the ASIN number in the browser URL, or you can go down on this listing and you will always have this product information and ASIN. Okay, so you copy this ASIN, you go back to Chili Hunter, and you go to Amazon, and then you go to reverse spy, and I'm going to paste that ASIN I found. Okay, I will choose which eBay site I want to look for sellers that are selling, of course, on Amazon US, because I took this item from Amazon US, right? So I want to look for sellers who are drop shipping this item from Amazon US to eBay US. And if you are drop shipping in eBay UK, then you will go to Amazon UK, find some prime item on Amazon UK, and look for Amazon UK to eBay UK. Okay, so now I'm going to look for Amazon UK. I paste this ASIN and I click on search, and the software is going to look for eBay sellers who are selling this same item on eBay. So in a few moments you are going to see a list of sellers. Oh, okay, here we go. It was really fast. So you can see a big list of sellers who are selling the same item or drop shipping the same item from Amazon to eBay. So all these sellers are 100% drop shippers. Okay, and now you can check them. Okay, you can check them. You have a lot of sellers. You can run a spy search on them. You can add them to your auto scan list. We have separate videos explaining on how to spy on your competitors on eBay, and we have separate video about auto scan, so Chili Hunter can automatically scan a lot of sellers on eBay while you sleep and show you their best selling items. Okay, so you just found a lot of eBay sellers who dropship item from Amazon US to eBay US, and now you can check them up. Okay, so it is very easy. After you found your eBay, let's call them competitors, right? You can just copy their name and then run spy search, right? Spy on them, or add them to auto scan, or just click here on Chili Hunter and see their items they have for sale. Okay, so it is very easy, guys. I know a lot of sellers, they have a really hard time finding good dropshippers on eBay. So Chili Hunter is going to make you, like I said, easy life. Okay, so from now on, finding sellers on eBay or dropshippings on eBay is going to be very easy for you using reverse spy. Okay, so just try it and see it for yourself, and I'm sure you're going to be surprised.